हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑल इन मॉडर्न गुरुकुला। आज हम आपका इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स करेंगे। इसमें आपके सारे करंट अफेयर कवर हैं, दैट इज़ नेशनल, इंटरनेशनल और जो भी स्टेट वाइज करंट हैं। ये मंथली वाइज नहीं यहाँ पे मैंने दिया है, ये आपको पूरा लास्ट 6 मंथ में जो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर न्यूज़ में रहे हैं वो हम आज आपके डिस्कस करेंगे। इसमें आपके हम 100+ क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। इसमें से आपका इम्पॉर्टेंट 10 क्वेश्चन तो एग्जाम में अगर आना है तो कंफर्म है, ठीक है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं विदाउट अ वेस्ट ऑफ अ टाइम। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु वॉन द राजा राम मोहन रॉय अवार्ड awarded by the Press Council of India? Options: अशोक उपाध्याय, गुलाब कोटरी, जयशंकर गुप्ता, बलविंदर सिंह। तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज आंसर नंबर 2, दैट इज गुलाब कोटरी। नेक्स्ट, what is the rank of India in the World Bank Ease of Doing Business report? This question is very important कि इसमें आपको रैंक बतानी है। ऑप्शंस आर 59, 55, 61 and 63. So the correct answer is 4, that is 63. Next question. According to the 2019 Open Door Report on International Education Exchange, which country is the largest source of foreign student to US? Options: France, China, India and Brazil. The correct answer is 2, that is China. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court? Options are Dr. Ravi Ranjan, Anuruddha Bose, Vikram Nath, Linga Narayan Swamy. So the correct answer is 1, that is Dr. Ravi Ranjan. Next question. Who has been appointed as Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? ये फिर से अगेन क्वेश्चन, मिनिस्ट्री से एक क्वेश्चन आपका आता है। ऑप्शंस आर राजीव गौबा, तरुण बजाज, डॉक्टर प्रमोद कुमार मिश्रा, अरविंद श्रीवास्तव। द करेक्ट आंसर इज 3, दैट इज डॉक्टर प्रमोद कुमार मिश्रा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. When does World Food Day taken place? Option: 16 October, 23 October, 30 October and 4 October. The correct answer is 1, that is 16 October. Next question. When does International Youth Day take place? Options: 12 January, 14 July, 14 April and 12 August. The correct answer is 4, that is 12 August. Next question. Who received the 2019 Global Goalkeeper Award by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation? Options: Narendra Modi, Xi Jinping, Barack Obama and Vladimir Putin. The correct answer is A, that is Narendra Modi. Again very important question. Next, where did 6th Parliamentary Speaker Summit of G20 take place? Options are जापान, रशिया, इंडिया एंड साउथ अफ्रीका। तो आपको बताना है कि 6th पार्लियामेंट्री स्पीकर समिट और G20 कंट्री कहाँ पे टेक प्लेस हुआ था। तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 1, दैट इज जापान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु वॉन द फीफा वुमेन वर्ल्ड कप 2019 टाइटल? ऑप्शंस: ऑस्ट्रेलिया, USA, नीदरलैंड एंड जर्मनी. द करेक्ट आंसर इज second, that is USA. Next question. Who won the 35th Man Asian Snooker Championship? ये बहुत ही important question है। ऑप्शंस हैं थानावड, त्रिपुंगी बून, सॉरी ये अजीब सा है थोड़ा सा, थानावंत। नेक्स्ट है आपका स्टीफन हेनरी, थर्ड इज पंकज आडवाणी एंड लास्ट इज स्टीफन डेविस. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, दैट इज पंकज आडवाणी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच लेक इज डिक्लेयर एज इको सेंसिटिव लेक, इको सेंसिटिव जोन? ऑप्शंस: वुलर लेक, चिल्का लेक, डल लेक एंड लोकटक लेक. ये फिर से आपका इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. द करेक्ट आंसर इज 3, दैट इज डल लेक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who received the Best Actor award in the National Film Award 2019? Ayushmann Khurrana, Rajkumar Rao, Ranveer Singh and Shahid Kapoor. The correct answer is 1, that is Ayushmann Khurrana. Next question. Where does Atal Community Innovation Center launch? Gurugram, Pune, New Delhi and Kochi. The correct answer is New Delhi, that is 3. Next question. India first woman Director General of Police who passed away recently. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. ऑप्शंस कविता सिंह, कंचन चौधरी भट्टाचार्य, गीता जोरी, अरुणा सुंदराजन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सेकेंड, दैट इज कंचन चौधरी भट्टाचार्य. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वेयर इज एग्री बेस्ड इंक्यूबेटर सेंटर टू बी सेट अप? ऑप्शंस आर हरियाणा, पंजाब, झारखंड and Chhattisgarh. The correct answer is 4, that is Chhattisgarh. Next question. When does World Rabies Day take place? Options 17 September, 8 September, 28 September and 13 September. The correct answer is 3, that is 28 September. Next question. What is the rank of India in Global Competitive Index 2019? Options 59, 68, 62 and 55. The correct answer is 2, that is 68. Next question. Who has been elected as Britain's first Indian origin Home Secretary? Preeti Patel, Rahul Arora, Dev Patel, Smriti Joshi. The correct answer is 1, that is Preeti Patel. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Senior Secretary Advisor in the Union Home Minister headed by Amit Shah? Important question है. Options are K. Vijay Kumar, Ajit Doval, Naripendra Mishra, P.K. Sinha. The correct answer is 1, that is K. Vijay Kumar. Next. Sana Marin has become the youngest Prime Minister of the world. Very important question. She has become the Prime Minister of which country? Denmark, Iceland, Spain and Finland. The correct answer is Finland. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new President of Sri Lanka? Gotabaya Rajkrishna, Maithripala Sirisena, Mahendra Rajapaksa, Chandrika Kumartunga. The correct answer is A. Next. Where was the India International Cherry Blossom Festival celebrated? Options Simla, Guwahati, Shillong, Dehradun. The correct answer is C, Shillong. Which country has decided to create a new foreign cooperation department? Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. The correct answer is 3, that is Haryana. Next question. What is the India rank in the recently released World Talent Ranking? 49, 53, 61 and 59. The correct answer is 4, that is 59. Next question. When is the National Education Day celebrated? 11th November, 9 November, 12 November and 10 November. The correct answer is 11th November. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Patna High Court? Amreshwar Pratap Shah, Sanjay Karol, Sushil Kumar Modi, Abhya Srinivas. The correct answer is second. Next. When is the Public Service Broadcasting Day observed? 11 November, 12 November, 10 November and 9 November. The correct answer is 12 November. Next. Who received the National Kishore Kumar Award 2018-19? Srinivasan, Prithviraj Sukumaran, Harisaran, Priyadarsan. The correct answer is Priyadarsan. Next question. Where was the National Culture Festival organized? Bhopal, New Delhi, Jabalpur and Lucknow. The correct answer is 3, that is Jabalpur. Next question. Which country hosted the Women World Boxing Championship 2019? Russia, China, Turkey and India. The correct answer is 1, that is Russia. Next question. Who has won the Golden Shoe Award 2019? Kylian Mbappé, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Derby country. The correct answer is country. The correct answer is 2. Next. When is the World Heart Attack Day celebrated? 7 September, 29 September, 16 September or 21st September? The correct answer is second, that is 29 September. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director for India in the International Monetary Fund? Subir Gokaran, Amarjit Sinha, Asaram Singh, Sujit S. Bhalla. The correct answer is 4. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडियन इज अमंग द 100 मोस्ट पावरफुल वुमेन अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्ब्स? स्मृति ईरानी, अनुदिति भट्टाचार्य, निर्मला सीतारमन और शिखा शर्मा. द करेक्ट आंसर इज निर्मला सीतारमन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन चीफ? श्रीकांत, माधव विद्या, संजीव सिंह, J.K. सतीश, रंजन कुमार मोपर्ता. The correct answer is 2. Where was the 3rd edition of the Military Literature Festival held? Srinagar, Shillong, Jammu, Chandigarh. The correct answer is 4. That is Chandigarh. When is the National Energy Conservation Day take place? 12 November, 14 December, 15 December and 16 December. The correct answer is 14 December. Next. Which state police was awarded the President Kolar Award? Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is 1, that is Gujarat. Next question. Who will host the 2023 International Olympic Committee session? Brazil, Russia, India and France. The correct answer is 3, that is India. Next question. Which country held election for the first time in 60 years? Mauritius, Iceland, Denmark or Finland? The correct answer is 1. Next question. Which state made GPS device mandatory for tree taker? Options: Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka. The correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which country will ban advertisement for sugar drink to combat diabetes? India, France, Thailand and Singapore. The correct answer is Singapore. Next question. Who received the most effective Swachhata Ambassador Award in the 5th edition of Safagiri Award? Shahrukh Khan, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli and Salman Khan. The correct answer is 2, Sachin Tendulkar. Who has been crowned as the Miss World 2019? Tony N. Singh, Opili Mezzino, Suman Rao, Vincena Pons. The correct answer is Ponch. The correct answer is 1. Next. When is the Vijaya Diwas celebrated? 12 December, 17 December, 50 December or 16 December? The correct answer is 16 December. Next question. Antonio Costa will visit India for the 2 days. He was the Prime Minister of which country? Hungary, Finland, Portugal or Rwanda? The correct answer is 3, that is Portugal. Next. What has the World Economic Forum Index ranked in the Gender Gap Index report released? 1117, 108, 121 or 112? The correct answer is 112. Next question. India donated solar powered study lamp to the children of which country? Denmark, Palestine, Albania, Belarus. The correct answer is 2. Which state topped the India Innovation Index launched by Niti Aayog? Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is 2, that is Karnataka. Next question. Which state tourism board will organize a city walk festival to promote tourism? Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, West Bengal and Kerala. The correct answer is 1, that is Madhya Pradesh. Which state festival Fulapati celebrated? Nepal, Bangladesh, in Bhutan, in Sri Lanka. The correct answer is 1, that is Nepal. Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of PNB? Sunil Mehta, Mukesh Kumar Jain, SS Mallikarjun Rao, Jatendra Bir Singh. The correct answer is 3. When is the World Student Day? 10 October, 12 October, 16 October and 15 October. The correct answer is 4, that is 15 October. Who won the Men Japan Open tennis title? Novak Djokovic, Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal and John Millman. The correct answer is 1. Which state cabinet has approved India's first sport university? Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Delhi. The correct answer is 4, Delhi. Which bank has launched the online fixed deposit product Express FD? HDFC, Axis, State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda. The correct answer is 2, Axis Bank. Which country organized the design fair to showcase the artwork? China, India, Japan and France. The correct answer is 3, that is Japan. Who has been appointed as the first Lieutenant General of Ladakh? Umang Narula, S.S. Kendre, Maridula Sinha, Radhakrishna Mathur. The correct answer is 4. Next question. When does the Armed Force Flag Day take place? 17 November, 11 November, 23rd and 7 December. The correct answer is 7 December. Who has been elected as the new chairman of ADB, Asian Development Bank? Haruki Mitsuo Yoshiro Matsugo. The correct answer is 4. Who has been appointed as the president of Union Bank? Jan Caladio Junkers, Jose Manuel Boraso, Ursula von der Leyen, Manuel Marin. The correct answer is 3. When does the Indian Navy Day take place? 9 December, 2 December, 6 December or 4 December? The correct answer is 4 December. According to the World Migration Report 2020, how many people are migrated? 200 million, 100 million, 270 and 310. The correct answer is 3. Which film won the Golden Peacock Award at the International Film Festival of 2019? Jallikattu, Particles, Ballon, Marghela. The correct answer is 2. When does the India celebrated Constitution Day? 26 November, 25th, 23rd and 22. The correct answer is 26. Who won at the top in the list of businessmen of the year 2019 by the Fortune magazine? Jeff Bezos, Satya Nadella, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg. The correct answer is 2. When does National Cancer Awareness Day take place? Awareness Day take place. 7 November, 9 November, 11 November and 10 November. The correct answer is 7 November. According to Indian Justice Report 2019, which state topped the list in the giving justice to its citizens? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Who became the youngest Indian cricketer to score the half century in the international cricket? Poonam Rod, Tirnus Kamini, Harpreet Kaur, Sefali Verma. The correct answer is 4, Sefali Verma. Next, which state is going to observe No Vehicle Day on the first day of every month in 2020? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Kerala and Punjab. The correct answer is 2, Gujarat. Which Indian state became the first city to have an online waste exchange for municipal solid waste? Kolkata, Pune, Mumbai and Chennai. The correct answer is 4, Chennai. When is the Human Rights Day celebrated? 22 December, 1st December, 18 December and 10 December. The correct answer is 10 December. Which state government banned online food distribution without hygienic rating? Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Odisha. The correct answer is 2, Punjab. Which state has launched e-sugarcane app for sugarcane farmer of the state? Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Uttarakhand. The correct answer is 2, Uttar Pradesh. Next, which state government launched the child protection app for the child right violation? Andhra Pradesh, Tripura, Manipur and Assam. The correct answer is 4, Assam. Lesson Life Taught Me Unknowingly is an autobiography of which famous personality? Dilip Kumar, Rajesh Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan, Anupam Kher. The correct answer is 4, Anupam Kher. Which state has launched a new portal to strengthen public participation in the governance process? Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. The correct answer is 1, Himachal Pradesh. The Khelo India Youth Games 2020 will officially advocate for which among the following issues? Climate emergency, afforestation, elimination of single-use plastic, climate emergency. The correct answer is 3. Next question. Which Gulf country has approved insurance of 5-year multi-energy tourist visa for people belonging to all nationality? UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and Oman. The correct answer is 1. Which state species has been most adversely impacted by Australia wildfire? Koala, kangaroo, manduk, polar bear. The correct answer is 1. Next question. India first human space flight infrastructure center will be established in which state? Karnataka, Jharkhand, Gujarat and Haryana. The correct answer is 1, Karnataka. Next question. Which court issued the death warrant against the Nirbhaya case convict? Saket Court, Patiala High Court, Supreme Court and Delhi High Court. The correct answer is Patiala High Court. Next, India has issued a travel advisory advising Indian national to avoid all non-essential travel to which nation? Turkey, Iran, Israel and Syria. The correct answer is 3, Israel. Which Indian weightlifter has been banned for the 4 years after being found guilty of doping? Pradeep Singh, Sarabjit Kaur, Vikas Thakur, none of these. The correct answer is 2, Sarabjit Kaur. Which state government has sanctioned rupees 234 crore for construction of Shahjid Asfullah Khan Zoo? Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. The correct answer is 1, Uttar Pradesh. Which film won the Best Film Award in Drama category in the Golden Globe 2020 award? Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, 1917, Carnival, Joker. The correct answer is 2. Who won the Best Actress in the Motion Picture Drama award in Golden Globe 2020 award? Renée Zellweger, Scarlett Johansson, Cantilia Erivo, Charlize Theron. The correct answer is 1. Which series won the Golden Globe in Best Television Series Drama Century? Succession, Big Little Lies, The Crown, The Morning Show. The correct answer is 1. Padma Vibhushan Award T.N. Chaturvedi passed away on January 5, 2020 at the age of 90. He had served as the governor of which state? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Kerala. The correct answer is 1. Who has become the 7th batsman in the world to hit 6 sixes in an over? Leo Carter, John Morrison, Barry Headley, Geoff Hotwatch. The correct answer is 1. Next, the Reserve Bank of India has launched which app to help visually challenged identify the denomination of currency note? Money, Insight, Surya and Able. The correct answer is 1, Money. Who has been taken charge as the India first Chief of Defence Staff? Bipin Rawat, Vikram Singh and Deepak Kumar. The correct answer is Bipin Rawat. Indian Railway has launched which helpline number for passenger? 139, 140, 115, 125. The correct answer is 139. Which country recorded highest number of children birth on January 1st, 2020? India, China, South Africa and Brazil. The correct answer is India. Who launched मेरी दिल्ली मेरा सुझाव campaign? स्मृति ईरानी, मनोज तिवारी, राजनाथ सिंह, PM मोदी. The correct answer is स्मृति ईरानी. Who was appointed as the new Chancellor of Queen University Belfast in Ireland? Hillary Clinton, Barack Obama, Michelle Obama, Queen Elizabeth II. The correct answer is 1. The US aviation regulation has warned American airline from operating in the airspace of which nation? Pakistan, Russia, Ukraine or China? The correct answer is Pakistan. Which state has launched a study campaign to turn it into an educational hub at national and international level? Options: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Telangana. The correct answer is 1. Gujarat. Next question. The National Green Crop Scheme was revived in which state union territory after almost a decade? Jammu and Kashmir, Puducherry, Madhya Pradesh, Pondicherry. The correct answer is 1, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Next, which state government had decided to celebrate Arun Jaitley birth anniversary as the state function every year? Gujarat, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. The correct answer is Bihar. Which metro station in Delhi was renamed as the Supreme Court Metro Station? Rajiv Chowk, Mandi House, Indraprasth and Pragati Maidan. The correct answer is 4. Pragati Maidan. Which state government has decided to deliver sand at the customer drop step? Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which state government has decided to set up 5 new medical colleges? Gujarat, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, none of these. The correct answer is Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the Indian new Army Chief? Manoj Mukund Narawane, Anil Kumar Sood, Devdas Chandra, S.S. Chandrasekhar. The correct answer is 1. Which state has become the first to pass an anti-CA resolution? Kerala, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is Kerala. The Taliban Council agreed for the temporary ceasefire in which nation? USA, Afghanistan, Iran, Lebanon. The correct answer is 2. Afghanistan. The web portal has been launched for Delhi NCR residents to track or block their lost stolen phone. Central Equipment Identifier Register, Find Your Phone Here, National Cellular Finding Services, Captain Mobile Tracking Portal. The correct answer is 1. Which Indian Air Force aircraft were decommissioned on December 27, 2019? Mirage 2000, MiG-27, MiG-21 and MiG-23. The correct answer is 2. When will be the Union Budget 2021 be presented? January 21st, Feb 1st, February 2, February 5. The correct answer is February 2. When is the first pre-number lunar eclipse on 2020? January 10, January 15, January 18 and January 22. The correct answer is January 10. Which country had developed a laser-based airline defense system? Israel, Iran, North Korea and Turkey. The correct answer is 1. Israel. When is the Prasar Bharati Divas celebrated every year? 9 January, 8 January, 7 January, 6 January. 9th January. Which Indian origin writer was recently honoured with the UK Children's Book Award? Amarjeet Kaur, Jasbinder Belan, Saranjit Chanhal, Minhas Verma. The correct answer is 2. Which city will host 2022 Commonwealth Game? New Delhi, Morocco, Birmingham, Colombo. The correct answer is 3. Which Indian telecommunication company has launched its Wi-Fi calling service for voice and video? Reliance Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, MTNL. The correct answer is 1. Which platform has been launched by NPCL CI for fast and secure platform? The Bal, Dhanush, Vajra and Siva. The correct answer is 3. Vajra. Who has been appointed as the judge to be Civil Court of New York? Indira Banerjee, R. Bhanumati, Vijaya Deepa Ambedkar. The correct answer is 4. Next, second national GST conference which was held in which city? New Delhi, Kolkata, Gurugram, Lucknow. The correct answer is New Delhi. The 31st International Kite Festival was recently launched in which city? Surat, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Vadodara. The correct answer is 2nd Ahmedabad. आई होप आपने सारे क्वेश्चंस अच्छे से अटेम्प्ट किए होंगे. आप लोग इन क्वेश्चंस को एक नोटबुक में लिख लीजिए एंड रिवाइज करिए. दिस ऑल आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन एंड स्टडी वेल. थैंक यू. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.